Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through one of the most useful features in VMware Workstation, cloning a virtual machine. If you've ever wanted to duplicate your setup without repeating the entire installation process, this feature is going to save you a lot of time. Let's get started. To begin, I already have my virtual machine powered off. Cloning only works when the VM is shut down, unless you're cloning from a snapshot that was taken while the VM was off. So make sure your machine is not running. Now, I'll click on the virtual machine that I want to clone. With it selected, I go up to the top menu, click VM, then Manage, and choose Clone. Or right-click the virtual machine in the VM library, then Manage, and choose Clone. This opens the clone wizard. The first question VMware asks is what I want to clone, the current state of the virtual machine, or one of its snapshots. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing current state, and then I click Next. Now VMware asks for the clone type. There are two simple choices. A full clone, which creates an independent, complete copy of the virtual machine. Or a linked clone, which is faster and smaller, but depends on the original VM to work. I'm choosing full clone, so my new virtual machine will be completely separate. Next, VMware asks me to name the clone VM and choose where it should be saved. I'll keep the default options and click Finish. The cloning process begins, and VMware shows a progress bar. Depending on the size of your virtual machine, this step can take a little time. Once it completes, the clone appears in the virtual machine library. Now I can power it on and use it just like the original. Any changes I make to the clone will not affect the main virtual machine, and any changes to the main VM will not affect the clone. They are both completely independent. If I ever decide I don't need the clone anymore, simply right-click, Manage, and then Delete from disk. It will not impact the original VM in any way. And that's it, a clean, simple walkthrough of how to clone a virtual machine in VMware Workstation. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.